There's a great python print, really figure-hugging dress trimmed with feathers that Glenn wears in the first 101 Dalmatians. And she's got great matching gloves to go with it. And those gloves with the fake fingernails on, if you remember anything about that production, are, kind of a big part of her look. But those gloves are not really stretchy or flexible. They're meant to go on, squishy human hands and not mannequin hands. And so we really wanted to use them, but we couldn't put them on the rigid mannequin hands without damaging them. So I approached the fiber arts department and worked with some students. They took the original gloves and looked at the original dress print and scanned the fabric and came up with a digital file that they're going to print onto fabric, and we're going to take that fabric and make up some prop gloves and then glue on some fake nails. So we still have the correct look, and visitors to the exhibition will get the, kind of head to toe completeness of it, and we can show those without damaging the pieces.